Hi guys, my name is Rowan. Welcome to Made by Rowan. I hope you guys are doing really well. I certainly am doing quite well today. And let's jump into making a fun video. So essentially, I'm no stranger to doing weird videos, and they haven't always worked out. Especially when the weirdness comes in the way of making art and the art itself suffers. I've been putting this video off for a long time because I know it's been weird, but I've just really wanted to make it because I actually thought that it could be quite cool. Essentially what we're going to be doing today is creating some creature sound effects, all from my vocal cords, my expertly trained voice, and using that to kind of influence a mythical, magical creature design. I'm not actually vocally trained at all. These are just some of the sound effects that I do when I'm, say, annoying my family. But I think that the sound effects themselves could actually help us to create something really awesome today and influence a design that I wouldn't actually have really thought to do otherwise. If this video can get 7 or more likes, I will make a sequel. Realistic goals. So yeah, let's go and let's create some awesome sound effects. Yeah. Hey guys, today I'm actually in my shower because it has the best sound for what I want to do. Essentially, the sound's going to go from my mouth here onto this wall. It's going to bounce off this wall. It's going to bounce off this wall, and then it's going to bounce back into the camera. I'll take a few to get warmed up. Yeah, you can tell you that impressions is like a secret talent of mine. Maddie, you try some now.
Oh, okay.
Here, take these.
What German request?
Yeah. Pterodactyl.
Guys, this is my lip scrub that I made out of sugar, honey, and coconut oil. And this is just like the ones they sell at Lush, except you don't have to pay like $12 for a tiny bottle. This whole thing probably cost me like 40 cents.
Yeah, overall I say that we did a pretty good job today. See you guys back in the studio. So all jokes and all silliness aside, I have just taken that video file back to the computer and I've actually looked at it. And when you get rid of this silly kind of video, this sound is actually very creepy. I'm going to play it for you. So I'm not acting like I know what this means or anything, but I added a little bit of reverb to this sound, which is giving it a bit more of an echoey atmosphere. Again, I don't know what I'm talking about, but echoey equals creepy in my book, so yeah, if I was alone in the forest and I heard this at night, I would be sufficiently freaked out. So now with this sound as a catalyst for my inspiration, I've just gone onto Google Images and I've found some kind of original inspiration images for what our creature is going to look like. Now the first inspiration that came to mind, of course, is the eye. Now the eyes are those really creepy little rat monkey things, and they have one really long finger. They're creepy. With that in mind, I'm going to jump right in and get started. So unsurprisingly with this artwork, considering I only had a sound effect to go off, I actually had quite a tumultuous ride in getting to the final project. My first attempt with this weird eye thing with 4 eyes, and well, it didn't really get off the ground. I mean, look at this thing. Would it ever have really gotten off the ground? So with that, I decided to go for more of an insectoid alien creature, and I found the first design I did, I actually ended up liking quite a lot. After that I found this image that I really liked. So after that I found an image that I really liked with a bunch of floating islands in space, and I decided that it would be fun to try to put my character in this setting. I had the idea that maybe, as well as the battle cry that I'd made myself, I could have some sounds of maybe fallen spaceships, explosions in the background, and I could turn this once peaceful scene into a battle zone with some fires going on. Maybe he's reaching into the foreground to pick up this weapon and continue the fight. is he the good guy or the bad guy? But this was a very, what's the word? This is a very ambitious idea, but I think it may have been a bit too ambitious. And I felt that the character himself didn't have a great deal of actual synthesis with the scene, which is fine. It's just something I need to work on and maybe try again for next time. I thought there was some merit to what I had done, but in the end I just felt that our character would be more at home in a sort of nest lair style zone. So that being said, I moved on to the third and final iteration of this artwork, which was essentially just finding a nice image on the internet of a spider's lair and then just sticking that on top for some inspiration and then painting away. I decided to have him kind of coming out of this red kind of gooey sack thing in the ground, kind of creepy, and having some dark lighting. Yeah, it was really interesting to see how the ideas kind of grew off each other and how our original idea of the sound effect really influenced the final project. Never strayed, but so far from that line. I never listened to the words that were written in your songs. That's actually pretty terrifying. Yeah, I know I say this a lot, but I am stoked with the outcome of this video. I think it turned out really cool, and I think we managed to use the sound effects themselves to create something that was really cool. Yeah, so if you want to see more videos like this, please just let me know. Thank you so much if you made it this far. I actually really appreciate it. And there'll be more videos coming very soon, so thank you so much for watching. Bye!